Hello and welcome. Thank you for joining the channel. In this video I will show you quickly how to replace a camshaft positioning sensor on a 2.0 turbocharged VW engine. It would be the same for a Golf, Jetta, Audi, etc. and any engine 2.0 that goes across the car. In my case, this is a 2007 Jetta GLI. Let's get to it. This is a 2-liter turbocharged engine and the sensor is located right there. So not an easy access, but not too difficult either. So to loosen up these hoses a little bit, I took off these clamps off. There was a couple of them next to each other just to loosen up the hoses. I had to come up with something like that just to loosen up the sensor itself, and then you get down there with your fingers and pull the sensor out. So this is the old sensor, looks like that. It goes upwards inside the engine, and with the bolt, this one upside down. That's why I just wanted to make sure that my T25 did not get lost. And then it's just all about your fingers. The sensor was not too hard to get in or out. Hey guys, I hope you liked the video. If so, don't forget to like it, share it with somebody you know, drop a comment and subscribe to the channel. I will see you later. Bye.